Hello student, welcome to video lecture of class 11th. Myself Abhishek Srivastava. I will teach you mathematics. Now start your second chapter is relation and function, and this is your first lecture in this chapter. In previous lecture we discussed about relation, domain, codomain and range, and also we solved some question related to relation, domain, codomain, etc. Today we continue solving the question related to relation, domain and codomain. Now first question is, this figure show a relationship between the set P and Q. Write this relation in first set builder form, second rooster form, and what is its domain and range. And this figure given. Now solution is, there this behalf of this figure it is clear that in set P there are three values 5, 6, 7. So set P is equal to 5, 6, 7, and set Q is equal to 3, 4, 5, and set Q is equal to 3, 4, 5. There are two set P and Q. Now what relation there are comes here? 5 goes to 3. 5 goes to 3, there are 2 less than. 6 goes to 4, there are also 2 less than. 7 goes to 5, there are also 2 less than. And this will be written in set builder form and rooster form. First we write rooster form. 5 goes to 3, so relation are 5, 3. 6 goes to 4, so 6, 4. And 7 goes to 5, 7, 5. And 3 element in relation, so this is written in rooster form. Now for set builder, r is equal to in ordered pair xy such that y is equal to x minus 2 where x belongs to P. Now this will be verified that here image of 5 is 2 less than its 3, image of 6 is 4, 2 less than, image of 7 is 2 less than 5. So there will be 2 less than. Now if we put x is equal to x belongs to P and the value of P starting 5, 6, 7. If we put 5, 5 minus 2, 3, we get y is equal to 3. So x equal to 5, 3 verified. Next 6. If we put x equal to 6, 6 minus 2, 4. So x value 6 and y 4. If we put x value 7, 7 minus 2, we get 5. Now y is equal to 5, so 7, 5. And that will be verified, and this format is a set builder form. Now domain of R, we know that domain is all the first element of the ordered pair belonging to R. First element is 5, here 6, here 7. So 5, 6, 7 is a domain of R, and range of R, it is the second element of all ordered pair belonging to R. 3, 4, 5. So 3, 4, 5 is a range of R. This is the format of this type of question. Now we move to next topic in this chapter, and the next topic our is function. What is function? Now here function, it is a special type of relation. That is, function is a special type of relation. There are many terms such as map or mapping used to denote a function. We denote a function as a map, as a mapping, and it is a special type of relation. And for defining function we get a definition of function. Now here function, a relation f from a to b is said to be a function if every element of a has one and only one image in b. For defining function here, a and b are two non-empty set. We taken as a and b are two non-empty set. We take as a and b two non-empty set, and relation f defined from a to b, and this f is said to be function if every element of a, therefore every element of a there are unique image on b. That is, no element are left on set a. If every element are left in set a, so that will be not a function, and image will be unique. If there are image not unique, so that will be not, that relation is not a function. This can be also be written as in this form: if f is a function from a to b, and this order pair belongs to f, then f is equal to b, f of a is equal to b, and b is called the image of a under f, and A is called a pre-image of B under F. This is the format of the function. This can be understood with example. Now example is, examine each of the following relation given below and state whether it is a function or not. First one is, first R equal to 2 1 3 1 4 2. There are three elements in relation R, and every element having one and only one image, that is image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 1, image of 4 is 2. Therefore image of 2 we get image of 2 is 1, that is unique image. Image of 3 is 1 and no image of 3 are found. Image of 4 is 2 and no image of 4 are found. So this will be, we get a unique image. Every element having one and only one image, so this relation R is a function. So this is a function. Second one is R equal to 2 2 2 4 3 3 4 4. Here for element 2, image of this 2 is 2 and image of this 2 is 4. And for this two ordered pair, it is clear that image of this 2 is 2 and image of this 2 is 4. We get two image of this 2. This 2 goes to 2 and this 2 goes to 4. So this 2 we get a 2 image and which is not unique. Therefore for element 2 having two different image 2 and 4, so it is not a function. Now third one is 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 5, 5 goes to 7 and 5 goes to 6, 6 goes to 7. There are 6 elements in this relation and image of 1 is 2 and no image of 1 are found other. Image of 2 is 3 and no image of 2 are found other. Similarly there are unique image. Every element has unique image, so it is a function and this is a function. On behalf of function, we note that a pattern of proofing of function. Now here there are 4 patterns are given for memorizing which are function or which are not. There are two set capital A and capital B, and for defining this set we get a pattern of this set A and B. There are 4 elements in this set A and this will be so that in dot form, and this image of this element is this, image of this element is this, image of this element is this, and image of this element is this. Every element of set A having unique image and no element are left in set A, that is every element A have a image, so it is a function. Second one is this goes to this and this goes to this and this image of this element is this. Here every element of A are having an image, and the second one is each image are unique, that is this goes to this image and image of this element is this and image of this element is this, so image is unique. Third one is image of this element is this, image of this element is this, also image of this element is this. We get for this element we get two images, this one and this one, so for get two image, so it is not unique, so it is not a function. Next one is image of this element is this, image of this element is this, image of this element is this, and one element are left in set A, and according to definition for every element of set A there are unique image and one element are left, so it is not a function. These are some criteria for understanding the term function. Now your homework is, let capital A is equal to -1 0 1 2 and B is equal to 2 3 4 5. Find which of the following are function from A to B. You check for these three terms which are function not. First one is capital F is equal to, in ordered pair, -1 2 -1 3 0 4 1 5, and second one is G equal to 0 2 1 3 2 4, and the third one is H is equal to -1 2 0 3 1 4 2 5. You should be check these three F G H are function or not, and for this you must memorize this pattern. Thank you.